Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. So, after a lot of likes and many comments from your end, we decided to show you how to do raised stenciling in some simple steps. So, this is the result. I think some of you can remember a piece of furniture we painted with this color, and we used this stencil, raised stenciling, and some Frenchic to create this effect. And today's episode is going to be all about this piece of wood that you can replicate on all your furniture with your favorite stencils. So, just a simple reminder to remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is obviously Rescoli by Carlo. Push the bell button so that you are notified when a new episode like this one is on YouTube, so that you can watch, you can like, and you can comment on it. Please, if you have any questions, just write your questions underneath this video or any other video we have. We have hundreds of videos now that you can watch at the leisure of your home, and you can be inspired by whatever we decide to do on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now this is the process, but first and foremost, the things you would need for this project. Remove stencil, let it dry, and wash stencil for future use.